You guys, check out what I got in the mail. Oh my God, we got the new KnitCrate box of June 2019. Yes. And as you can see or hear better, I am still outside because I got too excited. I had to show you right away what's in this beautiful box that you can get yourself every month. Okay, there is a link in the description, so make sure you grab that. You can get 20% off using the code Nikki20. So while I'm doing this unboxing of this beautiful yarn, make sure you leave later on a comment below and let me know what you think of this awesome box, because I want to know what you think and if you are getting your own box and which color you like the best. So let's check it out together. Ooh, I can already see what's in the box. Whoa. Look at these beautiful colors. Yes, I'm saying colors because you can see it is so many different colors that are all kind of orange, but oh, so pretty. I am loving this. Can you see this? Wow, look at here. I'm going to show you one strand here. It is so beautiful. And yes, it is extremely soft. It's called Villadana. Oh no, Villalana? Yes, Villalana. I can't pronounce this. I apologize. It is Tiger Lily, 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. I'm not surprised that this is so soft. Seriously. It is heaven. So squishy, so soft, so beautiful. Yes, the color you see is actually the color. This is no filter right here. You guys, this is so beautiful. And yes, you're getting two beautiful skeins, exactly the same way. They are specifically made for KnitCrate. And let's see what you are getting also. You're getting this beautiful inspirations book. It says here 2019, so I get this every month. And you are getting 3 patterns every month. Patterns at glance, so you can see the patterns you're getting. You're getting this beautiful pattern. This is the color that I got. Some people are getting this color. I'm actually very happy I got this one because I love this one. So this is the crochet version. That means this is the crochet pattern. This is the knit pattern. And you are getting also the sock pattern, even though you might not get the yarn for it, but you're getting the sock pattern as well, which is so cool. KnitCrate does have a sock membership, so you will be getting the sock yarn for this one if you are getting that one. But oh my God, I'm loving it. So yes, it tells you all about it. You have the entire patterns in here, everything nicely written out. And then sometimes you're also getting an awesome goodie. Look at this. This is probably the most beautiful measuring tape ever. Seriously, I mean, this cannot compete with any of my other measuring tapes. This is going to be my go-to measuring tape now, from now on. This is just way too beautiful. I just love it. How cute is this? Oh my Lord. Okay, so this entire box you can get an extremely affordable price from KnitCrate every month. So every month you have a different color that you're getting, different yarn, different type, sometimes a goodie with it, which I am loving every time. And if you use my code Nikki20, you can get 20% off your very first month. And after that, you are just going to be in yarn heaven, because every month when I get my email notification that's on the way, I am so excited, and I check my mailbox every month. Every week, every day, if I can. Oh my Lord, I just love it so much. And if you don't get it, oh my Lord, you're missing out. Seriously, this is just so beautiful. And yes, you do not have to make this yarn into the pattern that is shown, but oh my God, this is premium yarn at an extremely affordable price. So make sure you leave a comment below, because I want to know what you think about these colors, the pattern, the box. And are you getting your own box every month from KnitCrate? I hope you do. So leave me a comment below. And also, thank you for watching this incredible video and seeing what I have in my KnitCrate box every month. So you will see more videos of these coming up in the future. Every month I'm going to show you what I get in my KnitCrate box. So thanks for watching. Follow me on the social media pages. You see the link below. You can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, here on YouTube, and of course also Instagram and Twitter. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell so you get a notification the next time I publish a new video. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye.